The COVID-19 pandemic has made life as a small business owner harder than ever. With nationwide shutdowns, many of these businesses are losing customers at a rate which they simply cannot afford. In an effort to combat these effects, we've developed Stay Local, a Chrome extension that inserts a badge into Google business listings to help identify these local businesses and thus make it easier for the user to support their community. Let's say you wanted to eat out and you search restaurants near me on Google. Listings with a small green house icon by them indicate that they're local businesses. You can see that big chains like Wendy's and Chili's do not have this badge. Let's say I want to grab a cup of coffee after that, so I can look up coffee near me, wait for the extension to load, and you'll see that Starbucks does not have the badge, but this local coffee bar does. Local businesses are not alone in their struggle. In light of recent events, Black-owned businesses need our support more than ever. This issue is also tackled by our products. Stay Local also works on sites such as Etsy, appending badges to listings by Black-owned shops to make it easier to support these communities as well. It may not seem like much, but even just a single one of your purchases can go a long way. You can see the shop owner of this dress is Black. Also, you can see more tags on this page. Stay Local has a split backend. We started off by setting up Cloud Firestore and JavaScript cloud functions for our data because it was quick and easy and gave our front-end developers something to work with. Then we immediately moved to rewrite our backend in a more complex, better way. We rewrote our functions on a Golang Gin server that can handle 4 times as many requests per second as our previous Node.js one. We also switched from Firestore to Postgres. We then containerized it and hosted it on Google Cloud Kubernetes Engine. We still use our original cloud functions for the extension. For small one-item requests, however, we offer API access to all of our data through our Golang Gin Kubernetes server. This was my first experience working with Chrome extensions, although I do have front-end and back-end experience with regular websites. It was also Ken's first time working with API calls in JavaScript. To collect the data for the API that the extension uses to see which businesses are local or Black-owned, Ben programmed a web scraper using Dart to collect this information. One thing that Ben learns is there is actually an HTTP code known as I'm a teapot. It was also Ben's first Golang server and the first time he used Kubernetes. He was actually following a tutorial, but it didn't work, and he caught the bug and put in a pull request to fix it. Our extension isn't currently on the Chrome Web Store, but that is something we'd like to do in the future. But for now, you can visit our GitHub repository, download the files in a zip, and then install the extension that way. There are more instructions in our README file. Going forward, we're definitely going to add more to our database and expand it so it's more versatile. We hope that creating this extension will help all the local and Black-owned businesses struggling through this tough time.